Hi, I'm Tony Healy of Capture. Our team of reality capture professionals are based in central Connecticut and service local and national accounts throughout southern New England. A while back, we were given the opportunity to showcase all Newgate Prison and Copper Mine in Connecticut. We were tasked with creating a Matterport 3D of the underground copper mine that was the site of the nation's first federal prison. And yep, they kept the prisoners underground. And being underground, I needed light. Light that was natural, with scalable output, and that would have an even light spread from both top to bottom and side to side. We couldn't have the seams in our finished walkthrough where the overlapping scanning segments lined up. It had to be portable with a battery life long enough to scan a pretty sizable space. And on top of that, it would be great if the lights were waterproof too, as I'd be scanning in an underground mine that was pretty wet and drippy and pretty cold. My search led me to the Litra torch by Litra, and that was with their original Litra torch 1.0s. I inquired about its specs with the owners of Litra to see if these would fit my needs and to see if there was some way we could mount them to our camera, the Matterport camera. And Litra understood the need and sent out some lights along with a sample of off-the-shelf mounts. And after a lot of testing, this is what we came up with. It worked great. It lit the copper mine in a way that felt natural. It was lightweight and mounted easily to the top of my Matterport Pro 2 camera. The light stayed lit for my over 3 hours of scanning. As we've seen opportunities for 3D scanning increasing in both the insurance and restoration markets, the need for more accurate lighting has emerged. Lighting that provides consistent, predictable coverage from crown molding to baseboard. And for this reason, we worked with the team at Litra to complete the design. After 2 prototypes and extensive field testing by a range of reality capture professionals, the team at Litra designed a new reality capture lighting kit that now incorporates Litra's updated Litra Torch 2.0s. This precision machined aircraft aluminum lights and mount set has a shorter stance and a great center of gravity to reduce the stress on the camera's internal motor. Lights are set on proper angles, giving 100% light with no fall off in any direction. A daylight balanced, smooth, flicker-free, and seamless light pattern. Horizontal and vertical beam spread optimized for Matterport 3D cameras, up to a 4-hour runtime, and it's easily convertible from a 2-light to a 3-light professional reality capture system. If you want to check out what's included and to see how to use the reality capture lighting kit, check out our part 2 in the link below. Thank you.